slow down your video footage with slow motion on your Galaxy smartphone. First, open the camera. Then, tap More. Next, tap Slow Motion. Adjust any settings as desired. When you're ready to shoot the video, tap the shutter. After you're done recording, tap View Pictures and Videos. The video automatically starts in slow-mo. Now, from any video, create a slow-motion excerpt with instant slow-mo. To do this, from the gallery, choose any video. As you play your video, tap and hold where you want a slow-motion clip to start, and release when you want the clip to end. Then, tap the icon in the upper left to save your new slow-motion clip, and it will appear in your gallery as a new video. You can tap on the video for playback, and the slow-mo starts right where you want it. With slow motion, time won't feel like it's moving too fast when reliving those precious moments.